Oh my god, it's been so long. How have you guys been? So I'll get right into it. I don't have my glasses today. I don't have it for till tomorrow evening because they broke. For no reason at all. They literally broke when I was sleeping and my glasses were beside me next to my pillow, and I got up in the night to check on Boca, and I went to wear them and then the glass just fell off. It was so, I don't know, so weird that that happened, but yeah, it's gonna take a day and a half to fix, so I'm without my glasses for a while. It's very uncomfortable, but this is the second time this is happening this year, so I already have some practice. I just went on an entire grocery run, like a really long grocery run, to 3-4 shops all across Hill Road and inside the bazaar without my glasses, and I did it. I got everything on my list, so I did it really well. So I thought, now that I don't have my glasses and I cannot sit on my table and work, oh shit, I have to post something on FMC. I forgot. I'll post it. Oh shit, should I do that right now? Okay, I'll just do this haul really quick. That'll make me finish this haul quickly. So I'm gonna do a haul because finishing my sentence, there's not much I can do without my glasses. I might as well entertain myself doing this shit. And yeah, let's take you through all of the things that I bought today, starting with this basket. It's a Vessels basket. I'm going to be keeping it over here for Vessels. The thing is, Timiki's cardboard box that he sleeps in finally gave way. Like, it tore from the side, so I can't use it anymore, so I've thrown it out. And the Vessels basket, now I have to join the two videos in InShot. Yeah, fuck. So the Vessels basket that was there before here, I used that for Timiki on the window because that's a good size and it's pretty durable, you know. Unlike a cardboard box, it's not gonna break. Am I getting a sty? Hope not. So this is my new Vessels basket. Next up we have, there's gonna be a lot, so like, but I want to document. I've always thought of doing this but never gotten down to it, where I want to document the kind of inane and boring stuff that comes with living by yourself. It's not always fun and independence and privacy and glamorous lifestyle and having sex all the time and smoking all the time and drinking all the time. It's not always like that. Most of the time, like 95% of the time, it's not as fun. It's boring shit like buying toilet paper and expensive shit like buying toilet paper. So that's my toilet paper roll. So I have specific guys all across Hill Road and inside the market that I go to for specific things. So I have a toilet paper uncle ne whatever, like a guy. He has a family and stuff. So it's his house, and one room of his house is converted into like a shop. And I always buy toilet roll from him. So I went today and he was like, oh, I haven't seen you in a long time. I don't know what to say that because I always come only after my toilet roll is over, right? I don't just go there to say hi. I was like, yeah, that earlier one just lasted me really long, so I didn't come. Anyway, so he's my toilet roll guy. Only buy toilet roll from him, and I don't buy toilet roll from anyone else. Like, he's my guy. This is onions. Auntie wanted onions. Like, whenever I'm going to the market, I tell her that I'm going to the market. Is my head in the video? I can't see if it is. Turns out my head was not in the video, and I didn't even know. So it's gonna be funny. Anyway, now my head should be in it. This is a very weird angle. Oh my god, I don't like not having my glasses. I don't know if this is any better. This is like a really cheap mobile phone holder, so it's not very great. But it does the job. That's the thing with living alone. You sometimes don't have the luxury to buy things of good quality. You have to settle for what's cheap. So even though it's a shitty mobile phone holder, I needed it because of my workout sessions. Because I had to keep the phone somewhere. So yeah, it helped. The next thing on my list was newspapers. It's Radhi newspapers for Boca to put it in his cage. And we don't get newspaper here, so we really never have newspaper in the house. I have a guy that I go to for garbage bags only and like cleaning supplies and stuff. So I got these from him. These are really nice cleaning garbage bags. I like them. I bought one extra just for me because I have to use it for Boca. So yeah, a lot of shopping for Boca also. Next up is a box of rubber bands because my old box of rubber bands got over. But you know what's fascinating? See, the same box. What's fascinating is I got this in 2018 and it lasted till now. So we've used the same box for, excuse me, 3 years now. I'm gonna put these old ones in this new box and throw this old box away. Yay. See, like I said, living alone makes you get excited about random ass shit like new rubber bands also. It's nice, I guess. All part of the experience. Okay, new rubber bands. Next is Hymax ointment, which I already had one of, but it's got no words for Boca. Dettol. My old Dettol that we bought at the start of the pandemic is still there actually, but now it's getting over. And I need it for mostly Boca stuff. Next up is soap. So I have decided for the next few months or till whenever I'm gonna switch to soap instead of shower gel because it's cheaper in the long run. So now I want to like actively start saving for things that I need, like a driver's license. I want a new laptop. I need a new laptop. I don't just want a new laptop. So I've written it down here. I don't know if it's mirror image there, but it says manifesting MacBook Pro by April 2022. So I'm giving myself till April 2022 to properly save, earn some more money and get myself a good ass computer. Anyway, I don't need a new computer until I have to leave the house because the one that I have right now doesn't work unless it's plugged in. So basically only works indoors. Can't use it outdoors. But luckily, thanks to working from home, I don't need it outdoors. So for now I'm good. So yeah, we've got soap. I'm actually pretty excited to use the soap because I fucking love Medimix. And this is it gave me one more, oh man, I love it. It gave me a 10 rupee one free inside. So yeah, that's a little more savings. And I'm kind of excited to use soap again. It's been years since I used soap. I do use soap when I go to Karjat because they don't have shower gel. They keep soap usually. So I use soap there. But otherwise I don't. Next up is toothpaste. I'm buying a gum care one now because my gums are very weak and they tend to bleed sometimes. So I'm hoping Pepsodent will help me out. Next up is shampoo because my shampoo is almost over. I got Medimix shampoo to go with my Medimix soap. So I used to have a very my regular shampoo, which was the Tresemme one, and it was really good for my hair. I've been using that since I was in college, I think. But I've realized, so no, I did go looking for it, but nobody had the big size because the big size is more economical. The smaller size is more expensive. So I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna buy it if it's not the bigger size because again, like I said, need to save. So I'm gonna scrimp. Is that the word? Scrimp? I think. Scrimp. And save even 20 rupees if I can now. I need to go into that mindset. The mindset I had in college where I just had to save every penny because every penny was precious. So I'm gonna do that. Not spend unnecessarily. Which might be difficult because this weekend is also Adike's birthday. So I have to buy him a gift. I haven't thought about it yet. I'm gonna take him a cake, I think, because there's this cake that the both of us really love, a pista cake from Mavs. We ate it one day because Anisha had sent some cake for me. So Adike and I ate it, and he is in love with it. Almost every time we meet, he talks about that cake. So I'm gonna surprise him with that cake. And yeah, let's see what else, or if I give anything else. Maybe I'll make a card or something. I need to think about it soon. It's this Friday, this Saturday. Some nail polish remover. I was feeling like this is more of a frivolous spend instead of something that I need. but I do my nails all the time, so I do need it. I deserve nail polish removal. Right now I've removed all my nail polish because I want my nails to kind of, they're really ugly, like they're really unhealthy. You can't see it in the camera, thankfully, but they're actually really ugly because they look so weak. My nails are really weak and brittle. They keep breaking also. So I think I'll go a few days without nail polish just to let them recover themselves a little bit and like replenish. I was thinking maybe I should start some vitamin E capsules because they help with skin and nails and hair and stuff. Nobody's getting any younger here. I'll think about it. So when I had got this injury on my fingertip last July, she had put me on vitamin E capsules because that helps with skin regrowth and basically the cells to grow back again and like come back stronger. And a lot of people take vitamin E capsules and they break it and put it in their shampoo and then put it in their hair because it helps with, like I said, cells growing, so it helps with hair growth and it makes your hair stronger and shinier and stuff. So it's not a myth, and it's not like it's a vitamin. It can't be anything but healthy for you. So I will think about it. Oh, next thing is something I'm very excited about. This is Comfort fabric conditioner. My mom uses it in Karjat, and this time when I went, she washed a couple of my clothes and she used this, and my clothes were smelling fucking fantastic. And they never smell good when Zarina washes them because I guess hand wash has a different effect than machine wash. So I decided I was gonna buy this, and see, it is for machine. Oh, it's for hand wash also. After detergent wash, add half a cap of Comfort in a bucket of water. Soak up to 10 wash clothes in the bucket containing Comfort for 5 minutes. Remove clothes and dry. Do not rinse clothes in water after using. Oh, I don't know. I have to figure out how I'll do this. This has to go in last. It's like a conditioner. It goes in after the shampoo, which is the detergent. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I still want them to smell nice. Hey, that's it for my haul. My mouth is hurting from talking so much. I look so weird without my glasses. I miss my glasses. And it's a Monday, I really thought I'll start the week with like a bang. I'll be fucking productive and I'll write my applications and I'll get all my shit sorted. And now I don't have my glasses till tomorrow evening. So I'm not even gonna go for my walk because it's just gonna annoy me if I'm outside and I can't see the sunset. But I need exercise in me. But this whole grocery walk was quite a long walk in the sun, so it's tired me out a bit. So let's see, maybe in the evening I'll go to the terrace and walk for some time. But that's it for my haul. I don't know where Timiki is, so I can't show you Timiki, but let me show you Boku. Boku! Hi! Say hi, Babu. I got your medicine, I got your ointment. We'll put it now, okay? He's such a sweet guy, dude. Although he kind of gave me not a sleepless night, but like a very erratic night, because beach he would start meowing for no reason, and just for like half a minute, for no reason. So I would simply wake up and then have to go back to sleep, wake up, go back to sleep, for not really having to do anything. Then in the middle of the night he pooped, so I had to clean it right then, because otherwise it like will stink up the fucking house. So I sat up and I did that. So yeah, but yeah, it's okay. I am still well rested because I took a 4-hour nap yesterday. Let's see, today I think I'll just accomplish tasks that don't need my glasses on. I can't think of any, but I don't want to waste the day in bed, yeah. Let's see. Anyway, that was it for my market haul. See you later, alligator!